How to fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen. You open WhatsApp, and it just sits there spinning on the loading screen going absolutely nowhere. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you every fix that actually works to get WhatsApp loading properly again in 2026. Step 1. Force close WhatsApp completely and reopen it. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and swipe WhatsApp away. On Android, tap the Recent Apps button and swipe WhatsApp off the screen. Wait 5 seconds, then reopen the app fresh. This clears any temporary freeze that is causing the stuck loading screen. Step 2. Check your internet connection. WhatsApp needs an active connection to load properly. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and try reopening WhatsApp immediately after switching. A weak or unstable connection is the most common reason WhatsApp gets stuck on the loading screen. Step 3. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network completely fresh and often resolves loading issues caused by a dropped or unstable connection without requiring any other steps. Step 4. Clear WhatsApp's cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find WhatsApp, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted and causing the loading screen freeze. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to achieve the same result since iOS does not offer a manual cache clear option. Step 5. Check if WhatsApp is down globally. Go to a browser and search WhatsApp down right now or visit Down Detector. And check WhatsApp's status. If their servers are experiencing issues, the loading screen freezes on their end, and all you can do is wait for them to resolve it. Step 6. Update WhatsApp. Open your Play Store or App Store, search WhatsApp, and install any available update. Running an outdated version frequently causes loading problems, especially after WhatsApp pushes major updates that older app versions struggle to connect with properly. Step 7. If nothing else works, uninstall WhatsApp completely and reinstall it fresh from your App Store. Log back in with your phone number and restore your chat backup when prompted. This gives you a completely clean installation and resolves even the most stubborn loading screen issues. Pro tip: before uninstalling, always back up your WhatsApp chats first. Go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. This ensures all your messages are safely stored in Google Drive or iCloud before you wipe the app so nothing is lost during the reinstall process. To recap, force close and reopen. Check your connection, toggle airplane mode, clear cache, check if WhatsApp is down, update the app, and reinstall as a last resort. One of these steps will get you back in every single time. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp fixes and tech guides, and let me know in the comments which step solved it for you. See you in the next one.